again. Am I glad to see you? I'm so happy we keep running into each other.
Oh, look who it's our old buddy. It's our old friend, Dr. Jupy. What are you talking about? How's it going?
There's another locked door. I'm running out of time. God, I'm so worried about my kids. And a little bit about my wife, but mostly my kids.
Okay, we'll see what we can do.
Oh, my poor kids. I hope Douglas doesn't kill them. I can feel my wife Plenty calling for me. You're gonna solve this one too. Thank you. I don't want to rush you, but I'm getting nervous. Amazing! Amazing! You did it again! Douglas's office isn't too far from here. I'm going on ahead. I'll see you there!
Jesus Christ, Douglas is gonna kill Dr. Jupy. Look how weak and cute Dr. Jupy is. Forget about it. Whoops!
Urgent announcement. This sector has temporarily been designated as a Mothers For and Against Violence Zone.
That means there's probably just going to be a lot of violence. An intruder has...
You know what? That looks like Douglas's office, but we can't get in that way. Maybe we can go around back.
Hot mothers, not hot mothers. I love mothers.
Here we go. Watch your step! Health, it's just good for you. Watch your step! Whoops! Joined up with the bad guys. Let's give him a glob shot right out of my trick hole. Consider that an early retirement. Dr. Joopy! You're still alive!
Oh, my best friends. This is it. Douglas is right beyond this door. Can you help me out one last time?
Yeah, let's do this!
Oh, huzzah! Flimmy, fruity, sweetie, here I come! Here we go. Oh, you're so good at these. I wish I was as good at these as you. You're really good. Did you go to puzzle school? Oh boy, this is a hard one. Please hurry up, my family could be dying! I'm really trying not to think about my wife's body being ripped in half by one of Douglas's torture devices. And it's not working, to be honest! decided that if my family is dead, I'm going to kill myself and join them in the afterlife. Don't talk me out of it. This is what love does to a person. Don't feel bad if it takes you a while. It's tough, right? Okay, I know that earlier I said, don't feel bad if this puzzle takes you a while, but I also want you to remember, every second you take solving this is another second Douglas might be torturing and killing my family! Yahoo! You're halfway there! Keep going! You can do it!
You're a good team.
You fell for it, idiots! Thank God! You know how hard it is to solve a puzzle puzzle with a hangover?
Well, shit! Does that mean he's... Huh? I feel pretty stupid right about now. Oh, fuck off!
I was never Dr. Joopy. There is no Dr. Joopy. Are you shocked, you idiot? You fucking moron! Of course you are. And to think I never once suspected you, that little friend, Dr. Joopy, was actually hiding in the There never was any Clivy or Jeffy or whatever those made-up stupid little kids were called. Let's see how you deal with my trained recruits who are also my torture victims.
Here comes more!
Thanks again for all the help. I got wasted at the party and woke up in a ditch without my exosuit. I was helpless and vulnerable. You could have killed me so easy when I worked. Oh, maybe it's...
You should have stayed, Dr. Chu. You should have Douglas and lived the rest of your life as that guy.
Jump to conclusions! You're lucky, I'm still a little... That's right, I'm not lucky. Attack the bounty hunter!
Get ready for another wave, bounty hunter. I can't believe you Hans Grubered us! You sick fuck who trusted Dr. Joopy!
Look at me, John!
Don't die, Eddie. We'll find you some help.
Really, I really did appreciate your help. But I don't have a conscience, so I'm still excited to kill you!
You seriously trying to get me all excited and withhold the big climax? I need to come. It's bad for my health. Ah, fuck yeah, that's definitely the stuff. Oh, now that felt good. We had some very nice choppable flesh, actually. It was actually very nice.
Oh, fuck! All right, dipshit, let's go.
What? No hello? Nice to meet you, or thank you for saving me?
Why? Like you not dying there with some sort of favor to me? Hi, I'm SWEEZY. Thanks so much for rescuing me. How is that, dipshit? Now come on, use my time bubble to escape through the big fan in the corner. Cool, right? You're gonna find out real fast that I'm the best Gatlian. Smartest, most useful, best looking.
No, come on, I'm pretty good.
Douglas, it's gargantuous. Where the fuck are you? I heard you made a complete fool of yourself at that party last night. Not good, Douglas. Not good. I'm gonna need you on top of your game now that we've got a hold of these humans. We're spread thin over on Earth, and I need more troops immediately. Not to mention, things are gonna start heating up all over the galaxy as demand goes up. Big things are happening, Douglas. Get excited and get your fucking shit together.
Okay, yeah, fuck that. Oh, shit. I think that's a photo of the famous dude who invented translator microbes. Why the fuck does he know Douglas? You wanna fuck these guys up? My crystals stick into bags and they'll explode if you hit them real hard. Like with your knife. You get it. Go nuts. Use my time bubble, dumbass. Stab his ass.
Let me have some fun. We make a pretty good
smaller crystals. So just blast some normal shots, then finish them off with my super crystal. You got that, dipshit? Fuck yeah! Oh, you know, this is my book. Oh, the coward wants to hide, huh? Well, it's not gonna work! Check this out. Aim me at that candy ass and shoot him through his cover. Fuck yeah! He had no idea what hit him. Oh, now we gotta get across, huh? Hey, you wanna see what else this time bubble can do? Oh, jeez, do I gotta spell it out for ya? Try slowing down one of the ships, then we can use it to hop across. Great, perfect. Now hurry and cross before it wears off. Incredible, right? What a thrill. You know, you can use that time bubble on the G3, too. And try loading the bubble up with my crystals. Then you'll see why I'm the best Gatlian. We're good. Just listen to everything I say and never use the other gas. Ay, caramba! Get it? So what's next? You turning the bounty somewhere? Go do that. We can wrap this up.
I guess now that you have more Gatlians, old Kenny's taking a back seat, huh? Feeling good, bounty hunter?
Just keep...
The G3 doesn't stand a chance. Oh, did we get something good?
Who's back? You think I'm supposed to be impressed that you killed a G3 officer? Well, okay, fine. I am. I think it's pretty insane you didn't die. That's all you're getting out of me. Now, turn that bounty in.
Oh, hey, another girl on the team. Good. Actually, I mean it. I'm not being snarky. That's so nice to see.
Yeah, don't get too excited. We're not even the same species.
There we go. Look at you. You're getting the hang of this bounty hunter thing already.
How'd the mission go?
They killed a G3. Looks like I taught them well.
Wow. Really? Whoa. Okay. Well, I'm impressed. Yeah, I was always hoping you'd find your calling. I didn't think it would be bounty hunting. But then again, I don't know what I thought it would be. Maybe hairstyling, and not good at it.
And what's wrong with bounty hunting?
Can you please tell this dried up sack of shit to go home? I don't want to share a couch with him.
Tough titties, Leslie. You're kidding me, had a deal.
It's Lizzie! And that's not my kid. Jesus, we're siblings.
Sorry, I don't know how your species works yet. Sibling, fine, got it. Doesn't change a thing. I live here now.
Come on, can't he find his own place to stay?
Hey, that's not right. I'm barely taking up any space. You know we had a deal fair and square.
Oh, come on! We barely know this guy. You're really gonna side with him over your own sister?
You should be proud. You raised your child to have proper respect for a good, fair business deal.
Oh, now I know you're doing this on purpose. I'm the sister, not the mom. But you knew that, didn't you?
Sorry, my bad. You come waltzing back in here stinking like dirty Flimborg. Of course I'm gonna get distracted. You shouldn't be hanging out with that Flimborg boy, you know? Can't trust that species.
Tweak's harmless and nice. You're being spacist. And he's not my boyfriend. Yet.
Trust me, Flimborgs are bad news.
Come on, have my back here.
Okay, yeah, you got me there.
Thank you. God, I just don't think I can take much more of this guy.
What, you think this is easy for me? If I'm pissing you off, at least you can leave. But my legs don't work. I'm stuck listening to your boy trouble every time I'm trying to watch my stories.
I can't even get peace and quiet in my own home because there's an alien cripple jerking off on my couch 24/7.
Hey, come on. That's a high estimate.
Ew, I was kidding.
Yeah, me too. I was kidding. We all know I was kidding.
Aren't you gonna say anything? Whose side are you on anyway?
Hey, all right. I can see I'm being a little bit of a bother. I mean, look, I'll try to keep it down when I'm watching my stories. Just don't put me back on the streets. I really do want to help you.
Fine, he can stay. But only until he finds somewhere else to go.
I'm grateful. I mean it. But I've already missed half my program, so can everyone just shut the hell up?
Ugh.
All right, that's enough excitement for one day. You got more bounties to get to, kid. And you might want to check out the pawn shop to see what you can spend your new payout on, eh?
Oof, that was tense. It's times like these I'm almost relieved I don't have any family left alive. But not really. I miss them a lot.
Hey, just so you know, you can use the bounty.
Let's get nasty. I won't judge you if you need to take a quick break from all this running.
Oh, valued customer.
Oh, sorry, partner, that's not for sale. Good eye. That thing's a real beauty, and I'm keeping it, so buy something else. Oh, you like that, huh? Well, it's mine. You can't... Oh, hey, get your hands off. That's not for sale. Oh, hey, get your hands off. That's not for sale.
Oh, hurry up. I'm kind of busy in case you didn't notice.
Thank you for your business. Hey there. Portaling your item to the baggage area now. All right, a deal's a deal, no takebacks. I think you'll be happy with that. Have a nice day.
We've got this.
Time's up, motherfuckers.